In this video, we're going to explore the text indent property in CSS. And this is also a quite useful one. If we look here right now at our text, we have here this, and if I'm not mistaken, here we had a design setup here, which is called the, where are we now here, the text, if I'm not mistaken, text declaration. We have the text align justified, so I'll just put that one here, text align. No, we can do it in here, in the square. Say here justify, remove that one, refresh, and now you can see here this. However, as you can see, sometimes you want to have like indentation at the end, at the very beginning. This is quite common for newspapers that you have. So we can do this as well. So how can we do it directly in CSS? Well, basically with text indent. So what we can do here, we say here text indent. And then once we assign this property, the only thing what we have to put in here is the amount of indentation you want for your, or in pixels, for your text. And this will work only on the first item here. So if we say, for example, here 20 pixels, we save this and then refresh, you can see now our text indentation will be only on the first line. And that first line will have an indentation of 20 pixels here, or 25, here you are. So with this, you can create a newspaper style design here, quite common, without using divs or any kind of special enters or no space in your text, because sometimes people use this, and that is of course not the way to do it here. What you have to do is just use in CSS the layout, and every time you have a new paragraph, let's add a new one here, you will see it does exactly the same. There you are. So you get another one with the indentation, and this looks beautiful. So with this, you can control here the amount of pixels, how much you want to have an indentation. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.